The first Tesla Cybertruck unit has already rolled off the assembly line, and the mass production has been set for next year. But still, the full specifications remain scarce. Good thing Tesla CEO Elon Musk just teased a performance variant for the Cybertruck, which should at least excite enthusiasts who have been waiting for so long. Musk took it to X, formerly known as Twitter, to share his experience driving this performance variant. Aside from that, we are back to the usual waiting game since the infamous window smash incident 4 years ago. Looking at the EV makers lineup, the performance moniker is already used on the Model 3 and Model Y. The Model Y performance can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds, with rollout subtracted, 1.3 seconds quicker than the non-performance variant. The Model 3 performance can complete it in 3.1 seconds, with rollout subtract, 1.1 seconds faster than the long-range variant. Without taking the moniker literally, Musk could be hinting at a plaid version of Cybertruck, similar to the Model X and Model S. The plaid badge provides massive horsepower gains with a tri-motor setup. The 1020 horsepower Model X and Model S plaid variants have 350 more HP than their standard dual-motor models. We expect the top-of-the-line Cybertruck to use a quad-motor electric powertrain instead, giving each wheel its electric motor. Considering the tri-motor setup in the Model S already makes over 1000 HP, adding a fourth motor should impress the EV truck buyers numbers-wise. If that's the case, this performance Cybertruck will directly take aim at the Rivian R1T, which has an 835 horsepower quad-motor powertrain. No word regarding the pricing has been unveiled as well. But we could expect the Cybertruck quad-motor performance variant to be priced over $70,000 based on previous pricing disclosed on the official website in 2019.